Und ich hoffe, wenn ich komme zurück am Sonntag, es ist gutes Wetter, mückenfrei, nicht barfuß, nicht minus 10 Grad und die Elche kommt und ich fahre an meine Harley Davidson. Okay, Hände hoch, everybody, Hände hoch. Motorcycle Mama, schneller, schneller, Music, let's go! Let's go! Motorcycle Mama! Okay. Das ist meine Harley Davidson. Motorcycle mama, why did you leave and where did you go? Motorcycle mama, I've been looking everywhere for you. Do you remember in '65 when Jimi Hendrix was still alive? Before we went into the Woodstock scene and turn on to that rock machine, we rode a red Harley Davidson as we tried to follow the sun. Sing it now. Motorcycle mama, why did you leave and where did you go? The motorcycle mama, I've been looking everywhere for you. And we were into the flower power heaven, riding up the Pacific Coast Highway, winding up in the Frisco Bay, like Ravi Shankar, I played a sitar. Each brother was my guru star. Sing it now. Motorcycle mama, why did you leave and where did you go? Motorcycle mama, I've been looking everywhere for you. Hello, how does it sound? Hello. Do you remember our Fritz the cat and his leopard skin billboards hat? The Sergeant Pepper's Lonely Hearts Club Band, he's a riding through the desert sand. Missing all of his teammates you, but not your body, know I'm missing you. Sing it now. Motorcycle mama, okay, why did you leave? The motorcycle mama, I'll be looking everywhere for you. Okay, the letzte Bilder für meine Elche zu Hause. Hello, everybody, hello. Nicht zu viel.